Hello, welcome to Think Talk Walk. Welcome to India. Yes, Jamie and I, we're in India for the moment. We're here at ISB. That's the most prestigious learning institute in India, Indian School of Business. And we're here to work together with part of the top management of KPMG. So stories will come about that. But first, I want to talk about last weekend in Belgium, in our Flandrien Hotel. We had the women's professional cycling team, AG Insurance NXTG, over there for their team building for the season 2023. So that means that we had the professional cyclists, but also the U23 team was there and the entire staff. We had a tremendous weekend. We did a lot of inspiring things. We had a blast barbecue, but there were also some very deep and integral moments of thinking. And one of those moments was where we wanted the team to come up with creative outcomes on how they want to race, like what are the values to race. Obviously the talents will be seen later, but under what values do you as a team want to perform? So then we heard that they really want to come under the care, share, dare and deliver, which I think is wonderful, because it really comes close to all the things we always talk about, the basic values we should have. And that is, for example, when you care, that means you're curious, that there is a lot of curiosity. When you share, that means there's a lot of communication going on with respect. When you dare, that's the courage you need. And we all know courage is not ignoring fear, but it is delivering despite the fear. And then the delivering, it's in a way that's contributing with impact. Because not only is that a team that wants to win races, they also want to win it with a certain philosophy, a philosophy that is worked on by Natascha already for several years. And it's so wonderful what they came up with. And I'll let you enjoy a few moments now of the care, share, dare and deliver story of those tremendous inspiring girls.
So we wrote a song today about the values and the mission of the team. And well, this is just going to be the team song of the year. So everybody should start studying.
Okay, everybody stand up.
if we hadn't have care, share, dare, and deliver.
What do you think? Was fun, huh? Man, you wish you were there, because it was an unbelievable experience to see how motivated, how inspiring they made each other. One of the most touching moments for me personally was when one of the girls said, you know, I'm here now for 2 days and I feel more at home than I felt the last 2 years with my team before. So that's a huge achievement for the team. So great thumbs up to the entire staff. And we are really happy that we could contribute to that weekend. So next year, all our eyes on that or on the team. Really can't wait to see them going out. Have a great day. If you like this, please share it with others. If you have comments, please let me know. And if you have questions, of course, we're always ready for you. Have a good day.